How to upload HD videos on TikTok. So if you want to upload HD videos on TikTok, then first of all open up your TikTok application and now go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and you can simply go to your draft and then you can add something from your draft, or you can also choose that plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen. You can simply tap on that and then you can choose a video. For example, you can take a video right now, or you can simply tap on upload, which is on the bottom right. So I'll be recording the video now, and after recording, tap on the tick which is on the bottom right, and then you can simply tap on next, and from here you will have more options, right? You can simply tap on that more options, and then you can go for allow high quality upload. So you have to turn that on. So after turning that on, your TikTok video might take longer to process, but it will be uploaded on high quality. So that's it. Now you can add some caption, or you can also tag someone, and then you can simply tap on post, and that's it. That's how you post on higher quality. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.